Hi Rossi babes, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will discuss how to get a perfect cuticle line with dip powder and gel polish. We have to remember that preparation is the most important element when creating a good manicure. All of Rossi products are formulated to adhere to the nails, not to the skin. Cuticles are key, so make sure you always push back and remove any excess cuticle. If cuticles are not removed and the product is applied on top of it, it will create a gap between the product and the natural nail. For gel polish application, start with a thin and even layer of gel polish base coat. Do not allow the base coat to touch the cuticle. Cure for 60 seconds in the Rossi LED nail lamp. Pick your favorite shade of Rossi gel polish. We went with Jingle Bells. Drag the brush up out of the bottle while wiping the brush on the rim of the bottle. The goal is to push the gel toward one side of the brush and pick up a small amount. Start painting from the middle of the nail to distribute the most amount of product. Next, press down, allowing the brush to fan out, and push up towards the cuticle. You can try painting with the side of the brush to achieve that perfect crisp line. Using a detail brush can give you more control and precision. Cure for 30 seconds in the Rossi LED nail lamp. If you make a mistake and polish goes onto the skin, then don't panic. Just correct it before curing. Use a folded lint-free pad dipped in alcohol and sweep the excess polish away without touching the nail. Cure for 60 seconds. Finish up with one even layer of gel polish top coat. This will protect the color and give your nails a glossy look. With Glam powder, it's extremely important to use thin layers of base coat. Using too much base coat can result with powder pushing up the cuticle and flooding the cuticle when dipping the nail. Scrape the brush on the inside rim of the bottle. Use as little base coat as you can while still creating a smooth surface. With the first layer, apply base to the 3/4 of the nail. Dip at 45-degree angle and tap off excess powder. Brush off excess powder to prevent too much product buildup. You can take your cuticle pusher and push back the eponychium again as it tends to bounce back somewhat. The second coat of base coat should cover the entire nail surface. Dip it at a 45-degree angle. Use an orange wood stick to run around the cuticle line. This will clean up any excess dip that might have gotten stuck there and give your nails a nice, neat line. You can do this trick immediately after dipping when the base is still wet. Brush the excess powder afterwards. Apply activator thoroughly and wait for the nails to harden. File and shape the nails. Use a buffer to avoid harming the cuticles. Dip application at the cuticle area should be as flush to the natural nail as possible. Try using our new Rossi nail drill for even more precise filing near the cuticles. After buffing, wipe nails with alcohol to remove any dust. Apply 2 layers of Rossi top coat. The first coat should be thin and applied only in a few strokes. Allow the first layer to dry for about 2 minutes before applying the next layer. Apply the second and final layer of Rossi top coat. Wait 3 to 5 minutes for nails to fully dry without touching or smudging. Massage Rossi Nourish cuticle oil into the skin surrounding the nail plate. Perfect cuticle application takes practice, but is the secret ingredient to ultimate flawless manicured nails. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments what other types of videos you'd like to see from us next. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more weekly tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Stay home, stay safe.